I'm ready. Been waiting 4 months for this. Maybe 6 months.
Going live on Facebook.
When did we buy that truck? It's been a while. 9 months? We've been waiting 9 months for this day. We're live on YouTube. Welcome everybody to the RM14 winner call. We're here at RestoMods headquarters, and we're gonna be calling the winner of RM14. I've got the winner's information right here. We just get to do the fun part, which we're gonna do today, which is calling a random person and letting them know that they won this incredible vehicle and $20,000 in cash, and hopefully gonna change their lives for the better. Here we go. Oh, speaker. Let me turn it up.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, is this John?
Yes, sir.
Hey, John, my name's Chris. I'm calling from RestoMods.com. Do you know why I'm calling you?
Because I'm hoping I won RM14.
Oh! Dude, you won RM14, this 1969 F100, and $20,000 in cash.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. You have no idea.
Pretty incredible, right?
Yeah, I'm sweating right now.
Yeah, we're sweating too. I'm looking at your location here, which I haven't said, but I bet you're sweating.
Oh yeah.
I'm showing here that you signed up in July, so you signed up to win this truck.
Oh yeah, I saw this thing immediately, knew I loved that. I mean, come on, it's got a Roush motor.
Yep.
It's, I mean, this thing, it's a sweet ride, man.
That's so cool that you know so much about it, and you've clearly been following along. All right, John, well, I'm gonna start the process of your paperwork, and since we're streaming live, do you have anything you wanna say to the Restomods Nation?
This is awesome. I don't know what to say except for Lucky 7 did a really good job from what I saw on the internet and on your guys' Facebook and Instagram, and I guess everybody's said this before, but you gotta enter. You gotta do it. You gotta get in there.
100%, gotta be in it to win it.
That's right.
Absolutely. All right, John, well, I'm gonna let you go and let this sink in a little bit, and we will begin the process of getting you out here to accept your prize. We will work around your schedule and get you out here ASAP. Hopefully we can do it this week, and looking forward to meeting you in person.
Oh, heck yeah, me too. Look forward to meet everybody.
Awesome, man. Well, hey, congratulations again, John, and on being the grand prize winner of RM14, man. All right, guys, so that was it, our first live call. Jeremy, you were nervous, man. Did it go pretty well?
That was awesome.
First ring he picked up. First ring, he's got 3 kids, working to be an electrician. This prize is gonna change his life. He's a gearhead for sure. He's building cars left and right. The money's gonna help him out. He's gonna enjoy the truck. I thought that couldn't go better. Congratulations again to John. Guys, if you're out there listening, if your name is not John, head over to RestoMods.com, claim your entries for this 1966 Chevelle, and I could be calling you next. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Make sure you get entered to win RM15, our 15th giveaway vehicle, one of my favorite cars, the 1966 Chevelle. Go check it out on RestoMods.com, and I could be giving you this call next.